Hello, my name is Azeem Marediya, CEO of Cubic Technologies, an international staffing company focused on software developers. Today, we're going to talk about 5 reasons why you should consider partnering with an IT staffing agency. Finding a software developer can be a daunting process. Hiring is extremely complex, it takes a lot of skills, patience, time, and money. After going through the whole process, you still might find yourself with either a bad software developer or an employee with a lousy attitude. With the time, energy, resources required in searching, recruiting, and retaining skilled software developers, companies are finding it more difficult to hire the right talent to fill the open positions to get the job done. Did you know that there are more than 500,000 IT positions open and only about 50,000 graduates per year to help meet those demands? By 2020, there could be more than 1 million available seats with these positions that are unable to be filled by qualified candidates. Companies are looking to IT staffing agencies for their software development hiring needs. Staffing agencies who specialize on helping companies find developers have an extensive network in this niche and are faster, more effective than general staffing agencies. From my experience, hiring software developers can be a very expensive process because of the amount of time it takes to find the right candidate. But an IT staffing agency that concentrates entirely on building software development teams can speed up that process and remove the hurdles of having to interview inadequately screened candidates. Here are 5 reasons why you should partner with an IT staffing agency. 1. Time. Time is your #1 asset. You will spend less time looking for software developers, allowing you to spend more time to focus on your teams and projects. Looking for a good software developer is a time-consuming process. Writing job descriptions, sorting through resumes, preliminary interviews, screening candidates, all of these can impair your ability to focus on your teams and your projects. 2, you will interview better qualified candidates. IT staffing agencies like Cubic Technologies specialize in software developers and their teams. We have a lot of experience in finding qualified people. We have relationships with software developers across the US. We know your industry and the specific job skills required to better serve you and your company. Plus, IT staffing agencies have the technical expertise to effectively evaluate software developer resumes, skills, and know how to screen the most qualified candidates. We typically start with a series of technical questions to determine if the software developer skill matches your requirements, and then use the assessments to ensure that each candidate is a good fit for your company. 3, you'll be able to fill positions faster. IT staffing agencies throughout the years have constantly and aggressively built their networks of software developers. In fact, talented software developers whom you are desperately looking for may already be using an IT staffing agency to find you. We have a huge database of talented software developers to choose from, rather than you having to spend your hours searching for these candidates. 4, you'll save money. Who doesn't like to save money? When you consider the cost involved with training, payroll, bad hires, turnover, a good IT staffing agency can help you save a lot of money by presenting only the best candidates that have been thoroughly screened to ensure that they're a good fit for your company's roles. 5, you will have a lot of flexibility for hiring. Each company has different hiring needs. Depending on your need, you may want to hire a full-time employee, a contractor, or a contract-to-hire position. Typically, companies hire employees on a full-time basis, but IT staffing agencies will give you the flexibility to hire for short-term durations of a project before committing to a full-time employment role. Whatever your need is, companies like Cubic Technologies will provide you with the flexibility for your hiring needs. If you want more hiring tips, please subscribe to the Cubic IT blog today.